welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki. So this is my review on this deep wavy hair by Innocence. And this is like the first week I've had this style for 1 week, and I'm trying to show you what this hair look like, because I've decided that I'm just gonna document from now on when I do a review, like a weekly thing, documentation of what the hair looks like, so that you guys can get a good understanding and knowledge about the hair that I'll be posting on my channel, because I feel like a review is very important for the girls, so they know if they want to try the style out, try the hair out or not. Okay, so I've had this hair for 1 week. Of course, I did not sleep on it, so I've been really good for this 1 week. I've been putting my bonnet on because for some reason I'm a little bit sensitive about this hair. Not so much for the braided looks, but for like the real synthetic hair, I feel like I have to give it more care. But I want y'all to see this hair 1 week later. The hair can tangle, yes, just like every other hair. Forgive my face, I just woke up. It's 5 something in the morning. I'm still to wash my face, set up and do everything that I need to do, but I wanted to show you guys this hair with it modded first week, and I'm about to do some work on it, so I want you guys to see it already looks, yeah, it tangles, I will not even lie. So I'm going to try to detangle this with you guys, so keep watching. Okay, so to do that, or to try to detangle this hair to get it to look like it was on the first day when I did it, I'm going to try using my detangler, okay, to kind of help me get this hair in shape. And then my wig shine here, this is an Oil Free Wig Shine, Via Natural, by Via Natural, and this one is by Next Image conditioner and detangler. So in detangling, what I did was just use the leave-in conditioner and spray all over the hair prior to doing it in sections, okay? And then just use my hands to run through the hair. That's all I did. Y'all see? Ooh, I love this detangler, okay? I love this detangler. I found it by chance. I've not seen anybody talking about it or anybody using it on the socials. I just was trying something new at the store, and I wanted to try this particular detangler, and I have not been disappointed using it on my natural hair. The detangler is by Next Image, a 2-in-1 leave-in conditioner and detangler. I mostly use it on my natural hair, so this was the first time I was using it on synthetic hair. Okay, girls, so I am done using that detangler. It took me about anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, 30 minutes, I would say, to run my hands through. This is all I use. I have not even used mousse yet. Neither have I used the oil, the Wig Shine oil. Well, it's not, it says it's oil free, but the Wig Shine. And this is what the hair looks like, okay? All I did was my detangler and my fingers, just to run through with my fingers like so, and separate the hair just like so, okay? And it did help a lot. So a leave-in conditioner, water-based leave-in conditioner, not cream-based, honey. I don't know how this is going to react to a cream-based leave-in conditioner, but this is what it looks like with the water-based leave-in conditioner. So it's manageable. It brought a little bit of life back to the hair. Yeah, and so this is what it looks like.